Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about discount exercise 9.3 of chapter number 9. Students, we see that when we go to a mall or any big shop, some price is listed or marked above the article. Okay, that list price or that marked price is so much high that even after giving the discount, they get the shopkeeper gets the profit. So calculate the list price of an article whose selling price is 81.20 and includes 14% discount. So we have to find the list price. List price is always more than the selling price. List price is not given to us, so we'll take it as X. Let list price be rupees X. Now the selling price is given here. Selling price is given here 81.20. Selling price is 81.20. Now the formula for selling price is list price minus discount list price is taken as X. We have assumed it as X. So X minus how much discount we have got? We have got discount 14%. So discount is deducted from the list price. Means if you buy a book and you expect a discount, so we are getting a discount of 14%. X minus 14 upon 100, X equals to 81.20. 100 is the LCM. It's 100x minus 14x equals to 81.20. Subtracting this, we get 86x upon 100 equals to 81.20. So x equals to 81.20, 100 up and 86 down. On multiplying these two values, we get 8120 upon 86. When you divide this, you get 94.41. So this is the list price. Our next question is number 8. How much percent more than the cost price should a shopkeeper mark his goods so that after allowing a discount of 20% on the mark price, he still makes a profit of 40%? As I have told you that mark price is more than the cost price, and that difference is their profit, and on that mark price they give us the discount, and even after giving the discount they observe a profit. So let us take the cost price as 100. Let cost price be 100 and profit. He is getting profit of 40%. So 40 will be added here. Now the selling price according to him will be 100 plus 40, that is 140. Now on this selling price that he has assumed, this selling price the shopkeeper has assumed, and on this he will give us a discount. So discount is always given of the mark price, so we'll take mark price as X. So formula for selling price is mark price minus discount. Mark price we have assumed as X, and we are getting the discount of 20% of X. X minus 20 upon 100x equals to 140. 21s are 25s are. Now the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 into x is 5x, and its x equals to 140. 5x minus x is 4x upon 5. So x equals to 140. 5 up, 4 down. The value here becomes reciprocal on that side. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 35, 5s is 175. This was the mark price. Now the question is asking how much percent more than the cost price should the shopkeeper mark his goods. So we'll finalize our statement here. Mark price is more than CP by, mark price is 175 and the cost price was 100. We took it as 100. On subtracting this we get 75. So this is 75%. In the same manner, there is question number 7 is also same. Students, our next question is example number 4. A shopkeeper offers 10% discount to the customer and still makes a profit of 25%. What is the cost price of a sewing machine marked at 2500? So as we know that the formula for finding the cost price needs a selling price. So selling price is not given to us, so we'll begin with mark price. Okay, mark price is given to us. Mark price is given to us rupees 2500. You know that discount is given on mark price. Discount is of 10%. 10% of mark price. 10 upon 100 multiply by 2500. 0000 cancel and you got 250 rupees discount. Now the selling price is mark price minus discount. So mark price was this. Mark price is far more than the selling price. So discount is given 250. On subtracting this you get this. This is the selling price. Now as we have got the selling price, so we can use the formula of cost price. Formula for cost price in the case of profit, I have told you 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiply by SP. 100 upon 100 plus profit is of 25%. It is 25 multiply by, we have got the selling price 2250. 100 upon 125 multiply by 2250. 25 4s are 25 5s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 5 5s are and 0s are. So on 400, 4 5s are 20, 4 5 16 plus 2 17 18. So the cost price is 1800. Let us take one more common question. Question number 1 of exercise 9.3. A washing machine was marked 60% above its cost price. Okay, so let us take cost price as 100. And mark price. Mark price is that pasted slip that you see above any product. So the product of the cost of the product was actually 100 and we are pasting 60 more on this. So the customers will see 160 on the product. Now on this selling mark price, we are going to give the discount. Discount is of 25% so that we can attract the customers. 25% of 160, 25 upon 100 multiply by 160. 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 fours are and zeros are. So discount is of 40% discount. You can assume it as rupees, or as we have taken it at as 100, so it can be taken as percent also. Now after giving the discount, we find the selling price. Selling price is mark price minus discount. All these formula you have to learn. Mark price is 160 and we are going to give the discount on this. The customer will get the product which was pasted as 160, he will get it on 120. Okay. Now shopkeeper's gain. Shopkeeper's gain, formula for gain I have told you, it's selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 120 and shopkeeper bought it for 100 rupees. So it's 20% gain. Thank you.